Mommy, me soon come here.
Hey, where you going?
I go play ball.
Play which ball? Today's Sunday.
No man, daddy, I'll let me go play ball on Sunday.
Hey. When you over your father, you do what your father said to do. In my house. You're not going to no ball field. By the way, you clean your shoes?
Yes, mommy, me already clean my shoes.
Wait, you iron your uniform?
Me already iron, mommy. Me can't play ball now?
Okay. Wait. Did you do your homework?
Mama, come up, me do my homework here.
Look, boy, come do your homework now. Don't make me have nothing. But you want to go play ball? Come do your homework now.
Alright, me I come.
Hey, plastic kid.
Alright.
What the book said?
Tell what the book say.
Yeah, look what the book like, you idiot.
Mommy, the book can't talk.